In today's episode of Let's Talk Millets, we are going to talk about Sama millet. Sama millet is also known as little millet. Though the name is little millet, its health benefits are not so little. Now, Sama millet is like any other millet, gluten-free, so great for people who have digestive issues, especially because of gluten. And besides that, it also has very high amount of fiber, so amazing for people with diabetes, blood sugar imbalances, and also for people who want to lose weight. Also for people who have a lot of belly fat or visceral fat. So great for them. Besides that, it's loaded with B vitamins, so it gives you energy. It has iron, zinc, and magnesium. Now, magnesium is amazing for your heart health, to keep your heart muscles healthy and to also improve your heartbeat and to keep it more rhythmic. So you can include Sama millet easily in your daily diet by replacing your rice. So it easily replaces your rice and you can make so many things out of Sama millet. And if you want to know how to make them, I have curated a special PDF for you with all Sama millet recipes. And if you want to get them, then just message Sama below, S-A-M-A, and I will send you a PDF which will have all the amazing recipes and you can enjoy these millets daily.